What if you could say, "I want a chair," and 5 minutes later a real one appears in front of you? No factory, no shipping, just your voice, AI, and a robot building it on the spot. That is exactly what MIT researchers have just demonstrated. MIT has developed a speech-to-reality system that turns spoken commands into physical objects using AI and robotics. You describe what you want, and a robotic arm assembles it from modular components in minutes. Here's the big insight. This is not just faster furniture. It removes the technical wall between ideas and real-world creation. The system starts with natural language. A large language model interprets the request. 3D generative AI creates a digital object, and that model is broken into modular building blocks. Software then adjusts the design for real-world constraints like stability and connectivity before generating an assembly plan. A robotic arm follows that plan and builds the object on a table. So far, the team has created stools, chairs, shelves, small tables, and even decorative items like a dog statue. The project is led by MIT graduate student Alexander Htet Kial, working with researchers at the MIT Center for Bits and Atoms. He describes it as a new interface between humans, AI, and robots that allows anyone, not just engineers, to create physical objects. Quick reminder: if you want more real-world AI breakthroughs like this, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It helps this channel grow. Unlike 3D printing, which can take hours or days, this system builds in minutes. The team is already improving strength, scaling to multiple robots, and adding gesture and augmented reality controls. The long-term goal is sustainability, where objects can be disassembled and reused instead of thrown away. The takeaway is simple. We are moving toward a world where ideas do not sit in your head or on a screen. They become reality almost instantly. Watch the related video in the corner to see how AI is already reshaping manufacturing today. And if you want to understand how these technologies can actually drive results in your business, not just sound impressive, subscribe now and stay ahead of what's coming next.